Hello friends, in this video we will know what is the difference in thinking and behavior of rich people and poor people, which easy habits and thinking can make one rich, and what are the secrets which rich people do not tell. Then keep watching, stay tuned till the end. The video is going to be interesting. Let's start. If you have money problem and someone give you some money, then if not today, then tomorrow you will have money problem again. This problem is more of your thinking and habit than money. If you want to become a successful rich person in life, then you will have to leave some old thinking and adopt some new thinking. Rich people think that I make my own life, but poor people think that whatever happen in my life make me who I am. If you want to become a rich, then you have to accept that you are a master of your own life. If you are successful in connecting your knowledge with your right thinking, then it is possible. The biggest concern of poor people is to stay safe and pay bills on time rather than becoming wealthy. They just have desire to become wealthy. The other rich people have a goal and remain committed to become wealthy. Those people choose trying to become wealthy over comfort and a day off. Our goal should be to become wealthy and not just to pay bills on time. Poor people focus on the risk and difficulties to become wealthy and miss the opportunities. But the rich people keep balancing everything in life like successful business and close relationship with family and focus on opportunity and result and take action when the right time comes. Taking action means participating at any small level. Before preparing yourself completely, participate in the work you want to do become wealthy because you are never completely prepared. If you want to do business, then you can learn business completely only by participating and not from outside. Because only after getting involved, you get to know many things like how the business works or what problem comes in running the business. Poor people speak ill of rich and successful people, hate and get jealous. By doing this, they move away from wealthiness along with the rich people. But rich people prize and appreciate the other rich people, make good friends, and learn their qualities. Poor people spend time with negative and unsuccessful people, but rich people spend time with positive and successful people. If your aim is to become rich, then you will have to read about wealthy person, be around them, and understand how they think, because those people are already rich. By following them, your chance of becoming rich increases. Rich people advertise their business and themselves and want to make money based on the results. On the other hand, poor people think negatively about promoting themselves or their business. They want to earn money on time. As long as it doesn't interfere with actually getting rich, there is no harm in making money on time. You should also start working for yourself. You can start working on commission basis and percentage profit basis. See, rich people give a lot of importance to 4 factors. One is income, second is saving, third is investment, and last is simplification. Let us understand these 4 factors a little bit. First, income. There are 2 types of income. One is working income and the other is passive income. Working income means you get salary for the work you do. Passive income is what you earn without working, such as interest income or a rental income. This passive income is the secret of rich people to become wealthy. Second, saving. Income alone can never create a wealth. Some people earn a lot but spend it all. That is why savings are important to become rich. Third, investment. It is very important to invest your savings. You can improve your savings and passive income by learning about investment in detail. Fourth, simplification. Simplification means reducing expenses. You can increase your income and savings by reducing expenses. This is a simple way. Rich people know how to manage their money well, but poor people say that they will start managing money only when they have a lot of money. One should start managing the money they have, and then one will able to start managing more money. It has been seen with many rich people that only after they have learned to manage money well, they start getting more money. Therefore, either you control the money or money will control you. Money works for rich people. Poor people works very hard for money. The more money start working for you, the less you will have to work. The thought of working a lot to become wealthy is a failed thought. If you do easy work for living, then life will be difficult. But if you start doing difficult tasks smartly, life will become easier. You can become financially free only when your passive income is more than your expenses. Save money so that you can increase your passive income by investing tomorrow and be a financially free day after tomorrow. Also remember to learn about investment. I hope that I have been able to explain properly about the habits and thoughts of rich people. This video should be beneficial for you in becoming rich, and I want you to become a rich easily. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, then like it. It gives me a motivation. Thank you so much for watching up to last.